I'm going to show you how you can claim your free gift on Temu. Now from the Temu app here, all you have to do is that you have to go to the use section down here. On the use section down here, you want to tap on earn rewards. Once you tap on earn rewards, you can see there's a couple of rewards we can claim. Now, I'm just going to tap on one of these. So I'm just going to tap on farmland here, tap on get now. Now, once I tap on cap now, you can see it's a brick spring sale thing. Now, just wait for this to load. There are a couple of things that we need to load in here. So you can see we can get gifts, coupon, gems, things like that. Now, you can see this is what you will see. Now, you will need to do a couple of things to get the free gift here, right? So when you get the free gift, I'm just going to tap on claim. Now, on here, you can see I'm just going to get a couple of this. This is a little game you have to play to make getting the free gift a little more fun. So I'm just going to close out all of this, and then you can see free items. Now I can tap on choose one, and I'm going to grab a free item, right? So I'm going to tap this. I'm going to tap this again. You can see there's a lot of things we need to play here to get to the free items, but of course it'll be free. So I can tap on this to get the free item. I can get on this to tap the free item. You can see well done. I can tap on this. Let's just wait for this to actually load in. You can see there's a lot of free games here that you can play to get the free items. You can see. Let's just wait for this. I'm just going to keep on going here. I'm going to pick a free item here. So for example, I'm going to pick this. I can tap on change here if I don't like this. Now I'm just going to tap on change item. Now on here, I can get a couple of things that I could get. So for example, I can pick on any one of these. So for example, I want this one here, right? So it's a perfume, it looks like. So I'm just going to tap on pick now. Now on pick now, I'm just going to tap on continue. Again, it's $0 and I'm going to tap on confirm. Now once here, you can see I have got a free gift just like that.